Hello, everyone. Today we're talking about the best cashback credit cards in the USA for 2025. If you want simple, unlimited rewards, the Chase Freedom Unlimited is a top choice. It gives 1.5% cash back on all purchases, plus bonus points on dining and travel booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards, and it has no annual fee. For those who like rotating bonus categories, the Discover It Cashback card is perfect. You can earn 5% cash back on categories that change every quarter, like groceries or gas, and Discover matches your cash back in the first year. Another great option is the Citi Double Cash card, which gives 2% total cash back, 1% when you buy, and 1% when you pay your bill. It's straightforward and rewards consistent spending. Ultimately, the best cashback card depends on your spending habits. For beginners, simple, unlimited cashback works best. For strategic spenders, rotating or double cashback cards can maximize your rewards. If this helped, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more credit card tips and reviews.